Good evening to each one of you. Namaste. Definitely would like to thank Sriji for making this platform available for all of us who can brainstorm on various alternatives or various choices of leading a peaceful and calm life.
Many people sit in meditation and then they look in. And when they look in, they cannot see anything inside. They see darkness inside.
Sanskrit and Indian scriptures. So with that, Madhav, thank you for...
Thank you, Sri. So I'm going to focus more on Sanskrit as a language rather than a philosophy and religion and mysticism, and all those things do exist.
That is a tamasic desire. The rajasic desire is something, maybe a bit more refined. And within that, I may include some other people also. All right. So that desire may...
Bhavana deals with understanding, knowledge, etc. And then finally, there is Samadhi Bhavana.
You do the first week module, the second week module, third week module.
So for all of you, what we'll need to understand is that yoga therapy is an adaptation. And what was the adaptation? That during the process of your practice of Patanjali,
and on the topic which is very, very important to all of us, many of you practice the breathing and she is the right person to tell us about, what are the benefits, how does it affect your lungs and so on.
Birth, we have maybe around 50 million, but rapidly grow in the first year. And
my corollary to what Vandana was saying, what I feel is that for the last 70 years we've been independent. It's about time that we start putting in a lot of effort in at least preserving and expanding what we have.
Prana communicates intention and information and life energy, whereas speech is prana in action. It sends inputs and it gets inputs from all parts of the brain. This one is
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Something that comes to a conclusion. It's a theorem where you reach the end point before the logic itself.
Since his retirement in 2007, Dr. Deshmukh has given about 30 invited lectures or talks on brain and mind, yoga and meditation in different parts of the world. His last 2 talks were in Yantra.
That's very kind of you.
Thank you.
Well, I want to thank Ramesh Deshpande for that generous introduction.
So what a wonderful question, Govindji. I just want to answer this. I do outreach programs for children. I started doing these because I realized this, that I am in this field. And if you ask me if I'm a very healthy eater, I am a healthy eater, but by no means it's as healthy as it's supposed to be.
Is a very controversial topic. So we in Ayurveda, we do fasting when we do Panchakarma treatments, and we make personal fasting when we are doing Shamana and Shodhana processes. But I will say that if you stop eating in between the meals, you take lunch at 12 o'clock and you eat at 7 o'clock at night.
I touch divine essence. I'm all, step number 1, step number 2, number 3. There are 3 stages. Number 1 stage is, like I was going to tell you before, awakening. I think you all must have heard the term awakening.
And observe if there is any tension, tightness, or discomfort anywhere in the body. If so, move that body part slightly so that the tension dissipates and you can come into a state of relaxation.
Nitya, meaning it is constant, it is changeless, it is beyond limitations of time, space, causation. It exists beyond limitations of time. It is past, present, and future.
To all of you, I'm delighted to be giving this presentation on behalf of Shri and Shri Yoga. It's wonderful to know that there is a yoga teacher in our community who places importance in holistic health, well-being, and Ayurveda.
Ayurveda calls it Shanteganum Briyate, just told you. Whenever Jatragni is like Yajna, what I can say, is, you can compare it with a tandoor. Proper tandoor only then can digest everything.
Hi. No, Shekhar. Who? Okay.
And Ferguson.
Lal.
This 1, 2, 6, 7, 8. Again, the middle finger with your thumb. This particular Nritya Yoga Sutra, Shuka Chanchu Mudra. This is also known as Akasha Mudra or Shunya Mudra in a whole connection of 2 fingers. Okay? But it is loaded with lots of hormones to balance the
Shivam and I'm in
Ishita house and alright, Ishita, Ananya. Okay, go ahead. And the oldest one. Okay, sorry Anjika, very sorry.
Thursday.
We were not going
Very much Sharat. That was. Good evening, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
it
you,
was
Sri.
wonderful. Kids were amazing. Love the kids.
Hello,
Thank
Shoma.
you.
Nice to meet you.
Kids were very cute. Very, very cute.
Now
I'm going to have a couple more friends. I'm going to.
You can just thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
They are not seen as they are
very minute details. Okay, take care. Okay, bye, kids. Everyone.
And after that, you have enough time to meet people that you have not seen for years or maybe never. So all the INC members are also in part of the volunteer team. He keeps it up to date almost on a daily basis. Whenever I need, she is ready to help with that. And all the participants like to talk to this group. We'll be back soon, and then we'll continue. I just have to send a message. Anybody else that from teachers that.